Have you ever looked at a millionaire and thought, wow, they must have a secret money tree hidden somewhere? Meanwhile, you're checking your bank account like it's a crime scene, trying to figure out who stole all your money. You promise yourself you'll start saving next month, but somehow next month keeps moving faster than your salary. Then social media shows another entrepreneur on a private jet saying, success is easy. And suddenly you're wondering if millionaires received a life manual that nobody gave you. Here's the truth. Self-made millionaires are not superheroes. They don't have magical powers. They simply develop habits that consistently move them toward success while most people stay stuck, repeating the same mistakes. The good news? These habits can be learned. And today we're breaking down the 7 habits of self-made millionaires that have helped ordinary people build extraordinary wealth. Before we begin, make sure you like this video, comment which habit you think is most important, and subscribe for more business, entrepreneurship, investing, and financial freedom content every week. Let's get started. 1. Self-made millionaires read daily. One common habit among successful entrepreneurs and wealthy individuals is reading. While most people spend hours consuming entertainment, millionaires spend time consuming knowledge. Books give you access to decades of experience in just a few hours. Think about it. Why spend 10 years making every mistake yourself when you can learn from someone who already made them? Many successful business owners read books about business, leadership, sales, investing, psychology, personal development. Knowledge compounds just like money. The more you learn, the better decisions you make. And better decisions create better results. 2. They invest consistently. Most people think investing is something rich people do. Millionaires understand the opposite. Investing is often how people become rich. Instead of spending every extra dollar on liabilities, they buy assets. They invest in stocks, businesses, real estate, skills, opportunities. The secret isn't investing once. The secret is investing consistently. Small amounts invested regularly over many years can become life-changing wealth. Millionaires understand a simple truth. Money grows when you give it time. 3. They set clear goals. Imagine getting into a car and driving without knowing where you're going. Sounds ridiculous, right? Yet that's exactly how many people live their lives. They want success, they want wealth, they want freedom, but they don't have a clear destination. Self-made millionaires set specific goals. They know what they want. They know why they want it. And they create plans to achieve it. Goals create direction. Direction creates action. Action creates results. Without goals, success becomes accidental. With goals, success becomes intentional. 4. They live below their means. This habit surprises many people. Many self-made millionaires don't spend money trying to look rich. They focus on becoming rich. There's a huge difference. Most people increase their spending every time their income increases. Millionaires often increase their investments instead. They avoid unnecessary debt. They control impulse purchases. They prioritize financial freedom over temporary status. Remember this. Looking rich and being rich are two completely different things. One buys luxury, the other buys assets. If you're learning something valuable so far, hit the like button and comment Millionaire Mindset below. And don't forget to subscribe, because the next habits separate average earners from extraordinary achievers. 5. They network intentionally. Opportunities often come through people. Business partnerships, investments, clients, mentors, career opportunities. Many self-made millionaires understand that success is rarely a solo journey. They actively build relationships with ambitious people. They attend events. They join communities. They connect with people who inspire growth. The right conversation can change your business. The right mentor can save you years of mistakes. The right network can open doors that hard work alone cannot. Your network often influences your net worth. 6. Focus on growth. Self-made millionaires never stop improving. They learn new skills, adapt to change, embrace innovation, and constantly ask, how can I become better? Growth creates opportunities. 7. Take responsibility. Millionaires own their results. They don't blame the economy, bad luck, or other people. When they fail, they learn. When challenges come, they adapt. Which of these 7 habits do you need to improve the most? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content on business, entrepreneurship, wealth creation, and financial freedom. Remember, your habits create your future. Start building millionaire habits today and change your future.